Hello friends, our today's topic is about cables. Cables are known for shared media in our network. After working on network components, we need to know about how our data share from one location to another location. Okay, so we need to know about our cables. So first of all, we need to know about coaxial cable. We have another cable also here, like fiber optical fiber, as well as twisted pair cable. So many cables are there. But first of all, coaxial cable. In coaxial cable, we need to know that how it is stimulated. First of all, coaxial cable is shielded with plastic cover. After plastic cover, we have one insulator in that, and after that we have outer conductor shield, insulator, and our main inner conductor. With the help of this inner conductor, we can transfer our data from one location to another location. And basically coaxial cables are used for, like you have seen the telecommunication media, most of the time this cable is being used. And after that, after coaxial cable, we have another cable which name as fiber cable, the one of the fastest cable in our industry. Fiber cables are used to transfer data within milliseconds, nanoseconds, and these are much more expensive than coaxial cables. But in fiber cable, we have two types of mode: single mode fiber cable as well as multi-mode fiber cable. Now, what is the difference between single mode cable and multi-mode cable? Actually, fiber cables carrying with a small light in their cable, and after that we need to know about it has 9 micrometer in diameter, and multi-mode is 50 micrometer in diameter. So if we have more diameter in my cable, then it means we have a larger core, and larger core means we have multiple modes, so we can send our data from one location to another locations very fast. And after single mode and multi mode cable, we have twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cables are like, this is the cable and they are twisted with each other like this. Twisted pair cables are basically the LAN cables. LAN cables are basically used in our companies if we want to connect our data with access layer like laptops. We can connect our data with laptops, with PCs, with server and printers. Thank you so much.